Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about inverse trigonometry, important questions for the intermediate board TS and AP. I hope most of the students that are following our channel. Still, if you are not able to subscribe, please subscribe this channel. Those who are watching first time this channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And tell about our channel. Once you go through, those who are watching first time, go through the channel. If cos inverse P plus cos inverse Q plus cos inverse R equal to pi, then prove that P square plus Q square plus R square plus 2PQR is equal to 1. So how it will be? So first we have to assume that the cos inverse P, cos inverse Q, cos inverse R values, we are assuming that A, B, C angles we are assuming their students. First given cos inverse of P plus cos inverse of Q plus cos inverse of R is equal to pi. Later, let cos inverse of P equal to A, that implies that P equal to cos A. Similarly, cos inverse of Q equal to B, that implies Q equal to cos B. Cos inverse of R equal to C, that implies R equal to cos C. This is the way we can assume that. So whenever these values are A, B, C, this value will becomes, therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So question in terms of cos is there, no? C we are taking this side. A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Taking cos on both sides. So taking or applying cos on both sides. So cos of A plus B is equal to cos of pi minus C. Cos of A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of pi minus C, cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So cos of pi minus C minus cos C. Here cos A cos B values we have, but sin A sin B values not there. So what we have to do is sin A sin B values. Cos A equal to P, no? Sin A equal to root 1 minus cos square A. So that is equal to root 1 minus P square. Cos A value is P. Similarly, sin B equal to square root of 1 minus cos square B, that is equal to square root of 1 minus Q square. That implies sin C equal to root over 1 minus cos square C root 1 minus R square. So what is the purpose I am writing? Cos A cos B value substitute, dear students. Here cos A value P, cos B value Q minus sin A sin B, sin A value root 1 minus P square into root sin B value 1 minus Q square is equal to minus cos C value R. What I am doing is minus R I am taking it to this side, this product I am taking it to this side. So PQ minus R I am taking it to this side plus R is equal to this minus of this value completely we are taking this side. Root over 1 minus P square into root over 1 minus Q square. Now squaring on both sides. So A plus B whole square, dear students. PQ plus R whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus p square into square root of 1 minus q square. So a plus b whole square formula p square q square plus r square plus 2pqr, a plus b whole square formula expansion completed, is equal to 1 minus p square into 1 minus q square. Here also root square cancelled, dear students. The remaining I am explaining here. P square q square plus r square plus 2pqr is equal to actual multiplication 1 into 1. Here I will make a mark. Actual multiplication everyone knows, but still I am giving here for your convenience. So 1 minus q square minus p square plus p square q square. Both sides p square q square you have to cancel. Except 1 minus p square q square I am taking into this side. Therefore minus p square we can take this side plus p square, minus q square we can take this side plus q square, and plus r square here it is already there, plus 2pqr is equal to 1. That only they are asking to prove now. Hence proved, hence the result. We'll move on to this same type of question in terms of tan inverse question. That also we will do it. Yeah, the next questions. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to pi, then prove that x plus y plus z equal to xyz. So first the given condition we have to consider. Given tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi. So next what we have to do? Let tan inverse x is equal to a, that implies tan a equal to x, tan inverse y is equal to b, that implies tan b equal to y, tan inverse of z is equal to c, that implies tan c equal to z. So now this value, this given equation will becomes a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So c we are taking into this side. A plus b is equal to pi minus c. Taking tan on both sides. Tan of a plus b equal to tan of pi minus c. We know that tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta. So tan of a plus b formula you have write it. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to minus tan c. Tan a value x plus tan b value y by 1 minus xy is equal to minus tan c value z. Cross multiply x plus y divided equal to minus z into 1 minus xy. So that implies x plus y is equal to minus z into 1 minus z into minus xy plus xyz. Minus z we can take into this side. The first result we are going to get it is minus z we can take this side. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to xyz. Hence proved. Similarly, we can see that second question in this. Here also same procedure will follow, dear students. Given tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z, but here the condition is equal to pi by 2. So let us consider the tan inverse x, tan inverse y. These are all. Let tan inverse x is equal to A. That implies tan A equal to x. Tan inverse of y equal to B. That implies tan B is equal to y. Next, tan inverse of tan inverse of z equal to c. That implies tan c equal to z. Later, the given values. Therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. C we are taking into this side. A plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c. Taking tan on both sides. So tan of a plus b is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus c. Pi by 2 means 90 degrees, dear students. Tan of 90 minus theta cot theta. So tan of pi by 2 minus c, cot c. So tan of a plus b formula like this. Previously what we wrote, we can write it. Formula tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus c, cot c. Cot c can be written as 1 by tan c. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan A value x, tan B value y by 1 minus xy is equal to 1 by z. Cross multiply z into x plus y is equal to 1 minus xy. So z into x, xz plus y into z, yz is equal to 1 minus xy. Minus xy I am taking into this side, plus xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. That only they are asking to prove, no? Hence proved. I hope you understand, students. Still any doubts, so there you can write to my comment box. I will, when in my free time, I will give the response. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.